My sister 2 weeks ago, man. Yeah, he going in.
All right.
On the cast, what color?
Black.
Black one?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, give me just a second. Let me
Yes,
get that
sir.
for you. Okay. You look here?
I just come, I don't live, I live in the West End. I just come to this holiday.
Okay. I got you.
It's a holiday.
Okay.
All right. Hey, sorry. I'll be right back. I'm going to put my med kit up for him.
All right. They're going to be taking her. I'll get your jacket for you real quick. They're going to be taking her down to you. I think we've got everything up here.
Okay, because the car keys on deep freezer.
Car keys on the deep freezer?
Car keys on deep freezer.
All right. Give me just a second. All right.
Yes, sir.
Limbo.
So
What you need?
that's boyfriend. Boyfriend was over here just to see her. He comes out back to smoke. Brother comes over to the other side of the door. She opens the door. He can hear them screaming, yelling, arguing, this and that. He's like, "Bitch, I'm gonna shoot you!" And then he hears a shot fired. Apparently, they've been having a bunch of issues going back to Thanksgiving.
Fantastic.
So it says her brother?
Yes.
Looks like she's got a gunshot to the upper left arm.
You want me to head to the hospital or help out here?
Yeah. Yeah, because all we have is her social. Apparently, EMS corralled her, and
All right. I'll go.
Boyfriend might have it.
I'll go down there and see about taking her statement and all that fun stuff.
okay.
All right.
Shellcase right there.
Let me see that.
Shellcase right
Came
here.
from his gun.
He said that's his gun.
That's his gun. He got a Draco. He just got it. That's his came from his gun. There's a shell casing right there too.
Step over the sidewalk.
Guys, go ahead, photo that. Four-quarter it to where you can see 1051, 1053. Then they need to go in paper bags. All right. Gloves. Gloves is the word of the day. All right. I'm heading down to the hospital. All right. .191 radio.
191.
He warned any officers to make contact with this individual. He's going to have a Draco with him. He left one magazine here. He may have others. So, just officer advice.